I will tell you about all of its features while you watch how it works so you have a good feel for how that goes. And then after I get done talking about its features, we'll pull it out, see what it caught in the bottom of the pool, and make some recommendations if this is right for you or not. As I said, this is the Aiper Seagull SE. This is designed for flat bottom pools, medium to large size. This is good for pools up to about 800 square feet, which is a really pretty healthy sized pool. So if you have a decent sized in-ground flat bottom pool or above ground pool, this would definitely be right for you. The reason I say flat bottom is because, as you can see, it propels itself by shooting a jet out. That it's using that water that it's suctioning up off the bottom of the pool to drive itself forward and backward and move around. And there's just not enough power there to go up from like the deep end back up to the shallow end. So flat bottom pool is the way to go. It will run for about 90 minutes, which should be plenty of time to clean whatever pool you're looking to clean. Hey, it looks like it's getting ready to finish up. Let's pull it out and see what it actually caught. Okay, so I'm gonna go fish it out. It is done. One of the things you need to know, one of the features of this is it does try to move itself close to the wall so that you can pull it out. Another thing I do need to tell you is I am not sponsored. This was not provided to me. I bought this for myself. So you were getting my full, honest, complete, just me opinion. And I'm excited to see what we get in here, if she has caught anything or if she's empty. Let's check it out. Okay, so it is absolutely run for its 90 minutes. I will tell you, the pool guy was just here a couple days ago, so I'm a little skeptical about what we're gonna find in here. And let's see what we got. Super easy to open it up. We got a problem here. We got a problem here in that, I don't know if you, can you see this? There is absolutely, how about that? There's absolutely a ton of sand and dirt, debris. Look at that, look at that. That is, okay, great for the robot, not so great for my pool cleaning service. Okay, I'm a little ducking over because watch this. Crazy light in the late afternoon here. So I have to say this absolutely worked fabulous. Just in terms of use and assembly, I'm gonna take this, spray out all the dirt and muck that it found, right? You put this back in, it aligns itself up with that tab. Again, just to see, it's not exactly round, so it only connects one way, right? This is the only way it's gonna fit on. Snap the sides on, snap the front and the back, charge her up, and she's ready to go again. This is absolutely fabulous for what it is. Again, flat pools, 800 feet or less, this is absolutely a perfect option. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you again next time.